In today's video, we will be comparing two popular dashcams, the Byasu dashcam and the Dell FY dashcam. The Byasu offers a 2.5K resolution with a triple-channel recording system, while the Dell FY boasts a higher 4K resolution with dual-channel capabilities. We will explore their features, performance, and which one offers better value for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to video quality, the Dell FY dashcam takes the lead with its impressive 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording. In contrast, the Byasu dashcam offers a lower resolution of 2.5K for the front and 1440p for the rear. This difference in resolution can significantly impact the clarity and detail of the footage captured, especially in critical situations like accidents. The Byasu dashcam features a triple-channel recording system, allowing for front, rear, and interior monitoring, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers and families. On the other hand, the Dell FY dashcam provides dual-channel recording, focusing on front and rear views, which may be sufficient for most users but lacks the added security of an interior camera. One of the standout features of the Dell FY dashcam is its Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to access footage and control settings via a mobile app. This feature enhances user experience by providing easy access to recorded videos. In contrast, the Byasu dashcam lacks app connectivity, which may be a drawback for tech-savvy users looking for convenience. In conclusion, both dashcams have their strengths and weaknesses. The Byasu dashcam is a budget-friendly option with triple-channel recording, while the Dell FY dashcam offers superior video quality and app connectivity at a higher price. Consider your needs and budget when making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.